Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's quick guide, I will show you exactly how to log out of the bitcoin.com wallet application on your phone. So let's get started. First, open the bitcoin.com wallet if you have not already. Now tap on the three dots icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your account name or email shown at the top. This takes you to your account options. Now tap sign out or log out. The app might ask you to confirm. Just tap yes or log out again. But in my case, I got signed out immediately, and that's it. You have now successfully logged out of the bitcoin.com wallet application. You can sign in again anytime using Google or email. No need to recreate your wallet unless you have deleted the application. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more beginner friendly crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.